Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on Signal, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So after opening the app, then click on the profile at the top left corner, then click on the appearance, and here you can see the language. Now is the system default, which is English, but there are a lot of other languages and you can select. For example, let's I don't know, let's Italiano, and you can see that the language has changed. Now it's in Italian. So this is really great, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.